welcome to the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for Go TV. And this is the Ogbonge Politics discussion show as it is hot. Every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas, sake of say, all the story where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go drop them down, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them the way anything be you for body, so that those when the matter concern go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi, and as usual, I know they alone inside studio on top of this Jollof edition. I there with one Ogbonge visitor and my brother when sabi well as they concerning political matter as it is hot.
Good. Should be this one very well now. Good morning, our viewers. Welcome to from the Asepo edition of our program as the hot. If not even look, I no fit talk again because I don't know the kind colonial master kind of dress style where you could carry come today. With these your glasses, will be like saying that those ones who are forefathers used one during their own era. I mean, within one prompt of this one, which one all this big start to eat your head?
All this will follow for your introduction.
Anyway, yes, good morning once again. And the program as they hot and they give now all their simple edition. Which we'll talk about from Monday reach Thursday. So for those of now we miss out and those of our at least followers we miss out, go fit and chook mouth for any of the topic we interest to now. And make that also be in mind, say, we go close our shop as usual, so at least we go feel collectively know as the country they take move forward on top of today's matter. And my name never still change. My name now, Nkubi, and this now as it is hot.
We not go waste time. We're going to introduce our Ogbonge visitor when join us inside studio to follow us, chook mouth on top of all the topic when we discuss today. In a person when we say, when it come to law book for Nigeria, he don't read them, reach the level when we say, if we quote constitution, if mosquito bite them, and they talk of no other than Barrister Ahmed Adetola Kazeem.
Good morning, viewers.
Barrister, you're welcome to As It Is Hot.
Thank you very much.
You suppose don't understand that our tradition when we say any of our visitors when come, they shake the hand of our visitor to show say we welcome you. Make it not be like say we the quarter when we start to ask the questions.
This is your glass. I still want waiting prompt this glass where you were.
Waiting concern you.
No. I respect you.
Now change era with them.
Change era. Who they change them? Who they change you?
You see, fashion is a way of life.
Fashion is a way of life. You don't think of current fashion, trending fashion. You can't the carry us go back
this one when you wear now be current fashion.
This is trending.
You carry waiting resemble Angola flag material. Use and so clothes to talk about fashion.
I was being fair with your
Which
own.
Which fair were you being fair with me?
Your own.
Which fair? You dey combine color. Wetin Babalawo dey use dey do cutting for house. Now you come here, come dey tell me. Don't let me even start with you. Don't let me start with you because you follow all this corruption they talk about.
Fortins Babalawo, how do they bring in Babalawo?
Make we continue. Our people went there for house, as we do every Monday. We tear the nylon come out on top of all of the action to the way it happened for Nigeria inside the weekend. We can't drop and down. We've been discussing one of the major things when we say carry first for our news, the Lassa fever. We're not going to talk too much as it get to do with this one because later in the week, we can't discuss from the meeting when we say the Honorable Minister of Health and other commissioners from the different state meet to discuss how they'll take pursue and come up for inside this our Obodo Nigeria. But we talk about some kind of things when we go do, can't give some kind of information when they're very, very important when everybody need. From that one, we enter the talk when we say the Oga Patapata, when it come to the Ministry of Labour and Employment. Oga Chris Ngige, waiting get to talk about the 5,000 naira when we say the APC take do campaign during election. Remember, say over the weekend, me talk and say nobody go give you 5,000 naira if you think say you go just sit down for house. They collect that money, they claim say you know get work. He talk say everybody when we collect that 5,000 must work for them. But people come they ask say waiting with the plan when they get exactly for the 5,000. Shena say they just they talk. I mean they never even settle down to know what they go use that money do and where they go channel the money into. We also talk about the talk when they go on between the Oga, one of the Oga Patapata for APC, Chief Bisi Akonde, and people when they our House of Senate. Remember, say we've been get gist, say the budget when Oga President go submit, say one way the team wear lipstick, come carry waka come up for inside the House of Senate. But Oga President don't write letter, go give them, tell them say he get some kind of corrections when we say they make them make sure say the one when we say they don't correct where now in there with them, make we they move forward. The Senate then come out, come tell Chief Bisi Akonde say all the talk when they talk say now because of indiscipline when they inside the House of Senate and the fact say the person when they lead them, no the person when we say the party wants say all these ones now talk when person they talk if things thing still dey pain am for inside belle. Say make him accept say the senators dem when Nigerians give the mantle to go represent us for there, they don't elect who go be their leader. Say make him just forget about that and just face for things when we say go dey move this our country forward. We also talk about some kind things when they happen for the Niger Delta and the guys them when we say they enter inside some of our oil installations, come blow them up. Remember say a court issue bench warrant for the arrest of one man when they call Mr. Government Ekwemu Polo, aka Tom Polo, and the contact say like saying some of him boys them, now they do that kind of thing. But he don't send letter from where in they talk say he had no day inside that thing, saying be peace loving Nigerian and he knows sabi anything about them. Our soldier people don't talk say they don't take control of the situation, say they don't dey there, and all these bad people when we say want they sabotage the effort of our government and this our country, they go show them pepper. This one are all the things when we discuss on Monday.
Yes, as part of the continuation of this one of the stories where Chukwudi talk about now, we can carry and enter the part 2 of the 5,000 naira promise where the current party, that is the ruling party, promised us during their campaign era where they thought, say, look, unemployed youth, as long as you don't get job, so we're going to give them 5,000 naira every month. The Minister of Labour, that's Oga Ngige, come and come to say, look, it is not done anywhere, nowhere for this country or for this world. Person if you just look you finish, say because of you no get work, maybe they carry money, they dash you anyhow. Say it is not done. And for that reason, say look, say they no see them talk, but then now for the country to better say, okay, we go map out plan as we go do it, take pay on people we no get work. Say look, for you to be able to end this 5,000 naira, say you go work for them, say you go sweat for them. Say you go, that is you go need to tell her that is you go make you see you say at least they work. And then you come talk say look, you get some plans where they done the map out some acquisition plans. They say yes, so people could they go different kinds of training, go they learn different kinds of craft and handwork. So at the end, if you learn this work finish at least 5,000 naira, you know be seen something you just say they rely on. I think you go fit say okay, I don't learn this work, make you can create job for people. People go look at me and say look, this promise you promised us earlier. This promise when a political party promised us, your blatter on the change mat on top of them. See, how come now when they change mat? Want to say, okay, see what now promise. Now, so now government wants to operate. People other people look and say, look, this is a very good initiative from the current government. So look, if they feel do all these things where they talk and say at least unemployed, a lot of people go feel learn small job, learn small thing. And on top of that, we can also carry one of Bonga guest. Will be the Daniel Akinlami will be the former presidential aspirant under Action Alliance Party. He says follow for the discussion. He can talk say look, say the plan with this government don't map out on top of this 5,000 naira matter. Say in the see, say in get the ambition, in get the vision, say yes, say the whole plan go work. Now what we'll talk about on top of the 5,000 naira journey we APC promised us and which we're going to see now. Now which we'll talk about on Tuesday be that.
On Wednesday we carry one big story when we say it don't dey cause plenty debate inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We call the topic big man, big bail, small man, big jail. And this one got to do with the fact say in the present anti-corruption campaign, it gets some kind of people when we say EFCC don't call them to come answer some kind of question. From there, they don't carry those people go court. But we they talk say we they see one trend when we say the court they set bail for plenty money, and these people that they meet the bail conditions and then they come out. Plenty Nigerians don't talk say if we look the case of Oga Sambo Dasuki, if we look the case of the Oga of one big media agency for Nigeria, Chief Raymond Dokpesi, if we look the one when we say na former Minister of State before, Bashiru Yuguda, if we look Atairu Bafarawa, and some other people when we say don't get to do with this money when they talk say they miss. Court go put say sometime 200 million, sometime 250 million, and these people, if you check them at the end of the day, they go meet the bail conditions and they will come out. People come they talk say if na small man this kind of thing happen to, he go take for inside prison, or they go just arrange the thing sharp and the guy go where in they go. We can't ask plenty questions. Say why it be say for our Niger law this kind of thing they like that. People call him to provide solutions to these problems. They talk say he go they very good make we strengthen our laws so that people when we say go thief big money can't know say if they keep one money somewhere they go use and do court case and the thing no go affect them after 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 years they will come continue to they spend the money when we say they don't chop. Say make we put some things in place when we say you when you chop money not be only disgrace then go disgrace you, not be only shame then go shame you. They go collect the money back and you go get one room and parlor inside prison where we say your head go dey cool. Now what we discuss on Thursday as it get to do with the corruption for inside Obodo Nigeria be that.
Yes, and yesterday will be Thursday Thursday, we can carry the matter, enter the disease with the way say it don't come want to take over our country right now, which is the Lassa fever disease, because right about now we don't free from Ebola. Just like now, last I want country they rain, now want to come they do give us 6-pack levels. The Minister of Health will be Professor Isaac Adewale for one emergency meeting where they hold this week. Come across the local, see on top of this matter, make we know as we will take strategize, create plans, make we know so that this sickness we don't the blood say don't they enter small ground, don't they gain ground. We know if we give our room to do it to develop our country. We can also get guests we come, and then this guest also will be Dr. Adora Onyekwere, will be in-house medical practitioner. Come look and say look, come give small advice on top of us. We will take avoid them or catch this disease. Say look, all those things we know say where they bring rats, where they invite rats. Or anything, any rat, make call a rat. When they invite rat come your house, say make you find solution to make sure say you keep all those things clean. If that the food where you chop, keep and clean. If now the place where they put your food, keep and clean. Anything at all we know say they invite rat come your distance, say make you keep and clean. People come they look and say look this thing from waiting people they talk say look if this sickness our people our government officials just ignore and to say that they see them as disease for poor men and all that say because you know concern them. Doctor even look and say this one not be disease for any poor man or any rich man, say if he catch anybody. So on top of that level, make every Nigeria do it, make every Nigeria they very very cautious of as they take they do things so that this disease no go feel waka past the level we waka. Now what we talk about yesterday be that.
Una don't hear all our story when we discuss this week, and our Ogbonge visitor don't sit down chim. As we they talk from left, talk from right, until they digest everything. And now don't reach for them to using expert eyes look this matter so that we as Nigerians go learn well. And those where they lead this country go take notes so that they go lead this country well and make we see progress and development. Barrister, once again, welcome to Asi the Hot.
Thank you very much.
Make we no waste time. Make we start from Monday before we can enter the major stories when we discuss this week, because I know say plenty will go put attention for there. And we've been talking about the fact say some kind guys no they happy by their action with what not happen for inside the south of Nigeria. And then go our oil installations, come blow them up. And if you see the breakdown of the money when we say Nigeria don't they be, according to the Minister of Works, he come out contact say, what in Nigeria don't they lose? That since that thing happened, the thing they run into hundreds of millions of naira. If we get that, if we lose this kind of thing now, what if the things where you know when you think say we supposed to do to make it very very difficult for people when we just feel say okay if we go do this thing now, government go they lose where and maybe we go feel use them bend their hand go back when they do what we want. What if the kind of things we go put in place to make it very very difficult for people when we say they carry out all this kind of evil action?
I think one of the things we're supposed to do. Now we say one is more heighten the security. If security did there 247, don't be say when now only when them break pipe.
Now we go there.
They go there permanent. I remember when they serve for Abia State, the contact say kidnappers they kidnap. In fact, they even write us letter then say they want kidnap us. Because they talk say what thing these people they do for daylight, then they kill everybody, nobody there. They come to say they bring soldier. I saw many soldier, they say they bring 200 soldier. I say waiting 200 soldier won't do to these ones. They continue the thing. By the time when they come bring battalion, come station, they come turn one school to like barrack. They come start to kill them. They not feel everybody run away, kidnapping stop. And now permanently in Abia State we get soldiers there. When they start this Biafra protest, soldiers just come. They don't need to come from anywhere. They station there permanently. They just come and the thing was quelled. So we need that one and one of the permanent
security
solution. One, strong security. And two, now the laws. We go back to that law. The law, our courts. We need to strengthen them. And also, we need to put people where they straightforward. Because if person say in break pipe, they can't give a jail of a long year. You know, go think and try before you do understand. So I think those are the two things that should be done. So that one person no go just they take off for granted and say if in break pipe, people go surrender. And now because they do it before, they go do it before they go nothing happen. They'll come beg them again to come negotiate, give them money. They pay their salary. But see as this one happen now, see the response. We don't hear anybody go break pipe. They're not going to want to try.
If you also look at in the last administration, We also experienced some of this vandalization of NNPC and everything. But we can also see a swift reaction where we say the then president do it in can't set up people who say they watch they secure the pipelines. Okay, so in the same way, what you can make from the world, what you can make because of say we get new government, the country say look, we they safe now, and for that reason we don't need protection again. I've been waiting. I've been because of say the last administration they don't get them right away because you talk about security and which is very very important. What it is say this government, if you say this government go follow the same step where those ones follow, on top of say, okay, make we employ people who are strong. Abi, make they just find their own way out of this whole solution. Because this don't take. Not be today it starts.
I think say we don't need to employ anybody. I believe say our soldiers they capable. If they give them the correct ammunition. Now this will go steal money where they're supposed to buy correct equipment. They go steal money, they don't see the equipment buy. Our army, they're very, very capable. Maybe they just employ more youth. They won't fight now. Hunger they kill them, so they no mind to go there, go struggle for the thing. Yes, so go fight against that hunger. You understand? By fighting against the enemy of the state. So we don't need any down. They say they go give some Odua People's Congress. They give them contract for pipeline monitoring. They go give some people for we don't need all those nonsense I see as. Our army is capable, may they give them money.
Barrister, you don't talk this one well. Say, if we get people when we say now their work, they're trained to do what they're supposed to do, make we ensure say we give them all the ginger and the support when they need so that they go fit do their work well. Man, we don't go waste time on top of that one. We'll just quickly enter this one. I go like we join these two together so that after we just talk these two, we just go enter the other major stories. This one get to do with the back and forth when go between one chieftain for the APC, Chief Bisi Akande, and the person when we say now be the talk person of the House of Senate. And Chief Bisi Akande talks say now indiscipline when they for the House of Senate. Now he caused that small mistake in quote when can happen when they hear say they change budget, they no change budget. But they can't reply and talk say from the letter when we say Oga President don't write, he don't see say what thing then they do now the right thing and not be like saying na their fault. How you take things say we go get situation when we say as Nigerians. If we hear this story, if we hear this other story, we go prepare ourselves to choose the one when we say na him be truth inside, rather than talk say okay, this man our party man, he don't talk this one our senator, he don't talk make we just carry the two together. How we go fit they see the truth when they inside any matter?
I think one major problem with now the kind of journalism we will get for you.
Thank you.
People just they do how journalism. People will know me. They report some of the matters where they do for inside paper. Sometimes I go come open the paper like this, come open and say,
the story go different.
Now what happen with this? No, therefore don't slant them. Maybe the party where they the opposite thing don't you know.
And now you they involved inside the story.
Because papers today they won't sell the paper, so then they like sensationalize the story. Say if we put this one, you know go sell. I mean, we'll change the story so that people see and good. And now with everybody in a blogger, everybody in a blogger online, we also they talk nonsense. You understand? So as that one be so. Now we say more with the cross check, and I expect say somebody in the caliber of Chief Bisi Akande go suppose get insider. Say, I bet waiting they happen.
But
waiting they happen.
Barrister, me will look this thing. Me could take our own at least correct eye, look inside this matter transparently. So it is say waiting make Oga Bisi Akande come and talk this. Maybe waiting happen one time when you say somehow because I say some members of the party somehow. Play one kind of game, they not allow the people where they want. Make them take some this thing, and make them go. They talk about because in the first place, if you say then the thing work out the way they want it, and then maybe this thing can't happen. So if you say Oga Bisi Akande for come and they talk about this is way.
You know, Yorubas go say the meji on Jeff around. Now if you say two chicken, they know they chop the intestine. And now they say Yoruba go say again, Jalode. Tony Doe. Now we say now fight happen. Now storm can't change to proverb. So if not the same part they go, you go say, I beg, I feel criticize my people outside like this. No, besides they create more enemy. They just check that look or say, I beg, make I just talk this thing. At least now partial enemy they there. Make it follow on. But I think we need to in the story be say. Oh, they cross-check anything we get. Anything, even as normal Nigerians, not be everything where you see, you go believe.
Thank you.
Because papers, they lie where yes.
Barrister, you don't talk very, very well. And it go like make we emphasize and make Nigerians when they for house understand. And number one, when we hear information, make we no just jump, say, okay, this person wey talk am na my village man, we dey go the same church or we dey pray for the same mosque, and as he don't talk am na him be say na true. Make we self settle down and look the story well, take the truth when they inside, and comot the one wey be say, be like say they use am put seasoning on top to make the thing cook well.
The garnish am.
They garnish am so that we no go dey make mistake. Then make we just take this one now because we discuss am on Tuesday, join am with wetin we talk on Monday. The Honourable Minister of Labour and Employment, Dr. Chris Ngige, come out, come talk, say the 5,000 naira when we say the APC take use do campaign promise, say they no go pay anybody. Nobody just think say in go dey house they claim unemployed.
Say no free food for Freetown.
Exactly, no free lunch in Freetown. Say go just they collect this particular money. Now, a lot of Nigerians don't question the fact, say, 8 months into this present administration, it be like, say, that thing when they talk that time, they just talk am. They never get any concrete plan in the first place. Because we go recall, say, our vice president in talk at one time, say, that they try gather statistics and data to know those when we say, need this money, true. But now, in on the turn, they talk this one, say, then go do this one, then go do that one. If our government not put 500 billion naira inside the budget, say, now this one they won't use to address this issue. And we never still, not be saying no day, but it be like say we never still see concrete plan. If we go train people, where be the places where we go train them? If we go empower people, where be the measures where we go carry? If it be like say we never get concrete plan, should we be worried that people talk say, now honourable minister, he know what they talk or he know what they do?
I think the story gets many corner. As the minister they talk, you say, if you no work, no 5,000 for you. I don't know which work you go do, where they go give you 5,000, we go pay you. You understand that one on one angle. The other angle be say, vice president stuff come out, come talk, say, we no talk, say we go give unemployed people 5,000, no. Say na vulnerable people. So I no can know, waiting, first and foremost, waiting the definition of
vulnerable. Thank you.
They can't put numbers to the vulnerable. They say 25 million people. Now, where the 25 million people
will come from? Thank you.
When we any data day, where we going to say okay for Gombe. Now 1 million vulnerable there. And the vulnerable, she not disabled. Now person we blind. Now people will never chop for money. How you want determine person will never chop? I been an IDP camp. You go say if like IDP they be vulnerable. We just do dash and 5,000. I think there is no proper plan. And I think say now they never see the account. They never see as the account dry rich when they campaign. I believe as they can't reach there. The reality can't
I happy the way when you talk this thing because you know say Unkubi now you give this talk to directly. I said this thing here. Say we don't go past the era of say person go come, they promise, they talk this kind of thing. Don't call my name. Address this issue, don't call my name.
This thing here, tell me the date, the day, the hour, this moment where you talk this thing.
Everybody know. It's between 10 to 11 o'clock.
The seconds.
Now,
on this show.
At 10 waiting, if not 10 waiting.
What if be 10 waiting?
Give me the date.
Barrister, you can see that he's trying to delete
we have a lawyer now, Mr. Go feed judge this matter.
We judge which matter?
Give me the date.
Severally.
Okay, give me dates.
I be lawyer, I no be judge.
You see him?
Well, tell me the date.
You don't even give him this one not show saying I mean they talk true.
Don't you ever?
They give you title when no even
don't you ever? They implicate me, they get me involved in anything when governors say they know they get that right because they bring me involved. I don't want it from you.
You know you cannot eat this statement. You can't eat it.
How?
Nigerians.
I'm a Nigerian and anything when I talk, I said it with passion. And I felt, and I still know, say, we still there on the
but he never talk and say, he be like, say, proper planning, no day. Who be this 25 million people? But
said they go give 5,000.
To how many people? 25 million. Where this 25 million go come from? 8 months into the government. We never know.
The plan is on that way.
We are waiting for which plan?
It is still in the pipeline.
We are waiting for which pipeline?
The pipeline, just they come. Hold on, relax.
It's in the pipeline.
NNPP's pipeline.
Kerosene. It's in the pipeline.
Mind yourself.
It's not only pipeline, it's hose.
If not this glass, if not this glass where they confuse you, I wouldn't mind to just come there, come out of your face.
Then I go see who go carry you back on top of the chair. Come out, see who go carry you back on top of the chair.
Respect our guests.
Respect yourself.
Okay.
Respect yourself. Barrister, no verse.
Now you start, no be start.
Now you start the thing, I apologize on behalf of Nigerians. Barrister, make we enter another particular story when we discuss. You na lawyer, na person when we say you sabi the law, and this one na something when we say you don't generate plenty discussion for when Nigerians dey. It get to do with the fact say somehow if you check our Niger law, it be like say some kind people because of the kind things when we say they don't get for themselves, it go dey very easy for them to fit dribble our law and go anywhere when they want go. Number one, we get people wey be say they involved on top of this anti-corruption issue. People like Oga Sambo Dasuki, Chief Olisametu, Raymond Dokpesi, Bashiru Yuguda, and the rest of them. But the court go come set bail on top of one kind very, very big amount. And at the end of the day, it go be like say, you know hard for them to pay the money.
Make they don't meet up with the vendor. They go don't finish.
Make we not even talk too much now. From the topic, now you go come carry and come begin to discuss this thing. They go big man, big bail, small man, big jail. Discuss.
If you like say the topic where you frame, it can't be like true. Because
okay.
in fact, not true. Not true. Because me, I get NGOs where they run, where they do about prisoners, and I know what people they suffer. I just one way we just do recently. They say in do robber. The right advice say make them try for magistrate court for 6 months. They can't forget them for prison. You can't spend 6 years.
6 months or 6 years.
And the reason why that one happened be say a poor man. Person where they never even find guilty for 6 months punishment, you don't spend 6 years. You understand? And people work like the last thing where happened, where the woman where the court staff will go collect money from Ajudua. They give her 10 years. You can't they wait patiently. So when Ajudua won't go end. You know, I think the problem is we need firm judges. And I think with the new laws where they promulgate, I think the things go do better. Hopefully. And with the willingness of the government. Everything will surround this thing, now the ability to get capable lawyers. And the inability of the prosecution to do a well-knitted case.
Exactly.
To do proper investigation. Because if you want to do case, you go build them from the scratch. But if the foundation they pour, the thing go, court no go. And you know, say, prove now on the proof they're very strong to prove any criminal case against anybody. Now beyond reasonable doubt. You understand? So now strong one. So if you just get lawyer, we just
Barrister, you mentioned you use the word capable lawyers.
Yes.
Say one time say a lot of these lawyers where they handle cases where they know they're capable. I've been saying that something else their mind they interested in rather than the capability where they know so they can get, but they know if you do this thing. Because if you look at a typical example, we don't talk here one time, say, look, say they go bring the best of lawyers. And these best of the lawyers are more like the best for the country. And what them say these best of lawyers know they're capable, I've been something else.
No, best of lawyers know they're capable for which angle now? Say now for prosecution angle, I be for defense angle. Because now defense they get capable lawyer pass. Even if prosecution get capable lawyers, then they get sometimes. Just like some of the EFC prosecutors will be signed with and some of their good prosecutors too. But nothing with that good one if you do, if they don't destroy the case from the scratch.
Thank you.
You understand? So now you go build the case from scratch. So lawyers, as you talk, lawyers they capable. We they capable pass ourselves. If everybody they capable pass
Capable. Exactly.
You understand? So people, those rich people go, they can afford the most capable lawyers. You understand? Who can dribble the judge, who can look at the case and look at the fine details. You just look at one very small point, can't finish and because the criminal case.
Exactly.
And the proof, they're very strong. Beyond reasonable.
Barrister, make I just ask this one now. A lot of people don't give example of the case when they say former governor of Delta State, Oga James Ibori, faced for the United Kingdom.
Yes.
They talk say the UK government spend a lot of money to use gather enough evidence for that distance. So when they present Antoran, he just look say in hand don't fall.
Nothing.
You think say for this our country, we know they spend plenty to gather the evidence or conduct thorough investigation, or now say the people when they do the ginger to do no just dey.
You know, say if they don't chop all the money from them, which area we just feel starve? Which one? This one? We just give them this more money. And if they don't pack all the money, so they don't know the priorities. They never set the priorities right. Because as it happen now, right. If rich people, all these big people, if they go prison, corruption go reduce, so nobody won't die. If you say, if I finish this in 12 years, I won't go land for prison. When we won't finish this one, you go think twice. You go think twice. So I think the government has to set its priorities right. You understand? Because you need money to chase money.
Exactly.
You understand? This kind.
Comrade, I say comrade.
Quickly.
I'll be comrade too.
Barrister, before Nkubi go give you that question, because I know say in question go carry plenty time to answer. We go quick rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion As e dey hot, no go anywhere. Na still Wazobia TV.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.